Welcome to the class of Hospitality Information Technology. In the fourth week, we will discuss mobile technologies in event management. When talking about event planning, organizers always bear a heavy workload. They want something that could help them streamline process, such as check-in, check-out, mapping, information sharing, and customer support. They also look forward to have something assist them in engaging attendees, providing marketing opportunity to attract sponsors, increasing return from the investment, gathering feedback, and analyzing data. And with its popularity today, mobile technology has been widely adopted in the field of event management. There are hundreds of different mobile apps designed for event management today on the market, and here are just four of the more popular event management apps, which are Hua, Social, Crown Canvas, and Seven. So here are the main functions for the event management apps today. The first section is feedback. Attendees can log complaints, participate in post-event survey and evaluation. They can also make emergency requests according to their mobile apps. The second section is session engagement, such as Q&A and polling. The third section is experience engagement, which include voting, lottery, and entertainment functions. The fourth section is networking, which will include directory, chat and message, and schedule private conversation and meeting. The fifth section is file sharing. Organizer could share documents, video record, announcement, and handbook according to the mobile. The sixth section is wayfinding functions, which include navigation, mapping, and accommodations. According to Skift, artificial intelligence adoption is also growing, and it's being used to increase interaction whether between the organizer and the attendees or among the attendees. Skift reported that more than 85% of event apps today had adopted at least one of the following AI technology: chatbots, facial recognition, sentiment analysis. In addition, AI-based matchmaking is the most favorable functions today, which is most valuable for attendees in social networking during the conference period. Translation. Another function based on the AI is more and more popular today, since it could assist organizers in attracting international participants to the conference. So how much could an organizer pay for an app today? Here is the data from Skift. Most service providers will charge event planner based on the features they are used. Surprisingly, however, 24% of providers choose the bespoke pricing method, which means the price is negotiable. In addition, some apps will charge based on the attendees of the conference. Another pricing model is package pricing, which means the apps will be bundled or packaged with other services, such as technical support. And compared to last year, the minimum price for this year has not increased significantly. However, with the advance in new technologies, the maximum price increased by more than 50% from nearly 10,000 to 15,000. It seems like some organizers today are willing to pay a hefty price on new tech. Sustainability. Today, many businesses have gone or are going paperless. This business trend helps cut down on deforestation and pollution, leaving more trees to do the dirty work of absorbing carbon dioxide and slowing down the global climate change. Imagine a traditional professional conference and all the people utilized at the various stage of the event planning and execution process. The paper could be used for brochures, name badge, handouts, name cards, feedback forms, coupon, and lunch tickets. However, there are some challenges that the organizer may face while applying event apps. First of all is concern about reliability. If the organizer plans to use a mobile app, they need to make sure that the quality of the internet service is sufficient to handle the traffic during the conference. When you imagine what happened in our online Tech Tuesday class 2 weeks ago and over the spring during the pandemic period, you can quickly appreciate having reliable internet service for conference as well. Thus, the organizer should always have a plan B in case of loss of internet connectivity. Secondly, although more than 80% of Americans today have a smartphone, only 50% of senior citizens who are 65 or older have a smartphone. Depending on the type of event, the organizer should pay more attention to the needs of the guests. Knowing the guest portfolio is critical when determining the extent to which technology should be incorporated throughout the planning and most definitely during the event. This is where the accessibility needs for senior citizens who may be attendants are crucial. Thirdly, privacy concerns are common whenever one considers integrating information technology into any process. Therefore, it is extremely important for the event manager to consider how intrusion of privacy could be a barrier to greater attendee participation. Some attendees may not want to share too much personal information, but others may feel comfortable to do so. Still yet, some attendees may not trust the app and will not use it. So organizers should give attendees the right to make their own decision and prepare for those who are not willing to use the app.